In this video we'll show you the last two islands of the day. We are heading for lunch at Bamboo Island and will enjoy coffee at Poda Island. Let's go!
Yeah, I think this is really the island that we all see in the pictures, and really nice water, really nice views, islands. Hopefully no jellyfish here. So this is another gem of our trip, boat trip, and I wanted to also take a video of the name of the tour operator. They really provide good service. They take care, they have foreseen snacks, water constantly. Even got us this mats for the sun, and we'll be spending here around 2 hours, which is also really nice. We can swim here, we can snorkel here, we will have lunch set.
And then let's eating first, if somebody don't mind.
So this is our lunch. They ask us to first have food, so they serve it now, and then we will be able to go wherever we want. Some nice food. And it smells so good. Yay! We're getting our food.
Join your own plate, James. Leave it. I can keep the bowl for the baby.
High quality food and also very clean. No, that's okay. So we just had a nice, extremely nice lunch with a lot of varieties. Vegetarian, seafood, chicken. It really smelled good and it tasted good, and now we are full and we have time to swim, to snorkel, so we'll see what will go good for us. The sand is also very clean, but not as smooth as on the Maya Bay. I need to go. The difference, but seems like a lot of people are snorkeling here, so probably it's a snorkeling place. Let's just get into water so that we feel better. Woohoo! Look at this. It's clean water and no jellyfish. Enjoying?
Enjoying. It's very nice.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's crowded, but it's not like disturbing that much. But the sea is really nice, so. So this is our last stop for today. It's island called Poda. It's also very beautiful. You can also swim, you can also hide in the shade like we did, because that's the only thing you actually want in the end of the day. It has a nice view on this island as well. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really relaxing day. Oh, almost bumped into this. But yeah, it's a bit warm. I want to come back home, and I feel like we probably got burned. So we'll see what are the consequences of this boat tour. So that's one spot, and then there is also a bigger one there. So let's see. Poda Cafe. So we've been a bit overheated and now been resting in the shade. It's really nice here. Don't really feel like going out. Don't feel like going out to the sun. Although it's really beautiful island. Thank you. So yeah, now we're taking some coffee to get better, and I think in 20 minutes we will be taking off back to the starting point, back to Krabi. Together we made it.
We did it.
We
Thank
burned
you.
ourselves as well. We did that part as well.
So this was it for the Phi Phi Island. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
And we'll share all our experience and what are the best choices, because there is not many videos actually about Krabi, but there is a lot of things to explore. So yeah, like and subscribe.